You're watching the show that gives you the hottest and most awesome experience. This is Pop Mix and I'm Daniel Padilla, your Mix 11 DJ for the month of June. Ayan, guys, tama na yung umpisahan natin ang show with American R&B singer Usher with his song mula sa album Looking for Myself. Kung gusto nyo sumayaw, sumigaw kasama niya, ito ang perfect song para sa inyo dahil ito na si Usher and he wants to make you scream. Next with me, Daniel Padilla. Up next is a guy na hindi lagi iniidolo ng maraming babae. Hindi pati na rin yung mga lalaki. Gaya ko. Sobrang ayaw ko ng gitara dahil sa galing niyang kumanta. At yun nga, sa pagigitara, sobrang, oh my gosh. I'm talking about American pop and blues musician John Mayer. Sinulat niya daw ang kantang to para sa kanyang ex-girlfriend as a way of saying that he's finally moved on. Hindi niya tama. Here's John Mayer with his song Shadow Days. First, producer B.O.B. with So Good ending the show for today. Guys, sana samahan niyo ulit ako bukas for another So Good episode of Pop Mix. This has been your Mix 11 PJ for the month of July, Daniel Padilla. See you soon guys, next time.